Unit 1 Fundamentals of Computer Graphics. Product Cycle. The cycle through which a product goes from development to retirement is called product life cycle or product cycle. The product cycle includes all activities starting from identification for product to deliver the finished product to the customer. The product cycle starts with developing the product concept, evaluating the design, engineering the product, manufacturing the part, marketing, and serving. The product undergoes the following two main processes from inception to finished products: design process, manufacturing process. Design process. Design refers to the process of originating and developing a plan for a product structure, system, or component. In recent years, several attempts provide a formal description of stages or elements of the design process. Description of designs are often called as models of the design process. Sigley design process, Paul and Bates model, Oshek model, Earl model. Morphology of design. Design is the progression from abstract to concrete. Morphology design refers to the study of the chronological structure of design projects. It is defined by 7 phases and their substeps. Out of 7 phases, the first 3 phases belong to design the proposed by Asimov, and the remaining 4 phases belong to production, distribution, conception, and retirement. Phase 1 Feasibility study or conceptual design. Phase 2 Preliminary design or embodiment design. Phase 3 Detailed design. Phase 4 Planning for production. Phase 5 Planning for distribution. Phase 6 Planning for consumption. Phase 7 Planning for retirement. Sequential engineering. Sequential engineering is the term used to explain the method of production in a linear system. The various steps are done one after another, with all intention and resource focused on that single task. It is a system by which a group within an organization works sequentially to create new product and service. Design, process planning, manufacturing, quality, marketing. This is a sequential engineering approach. Advantages of sequential engineering. It is very simple, well-defined method and allows everyone to remain on the same page. It is an enforced discipline approach. Concurrent engineering. Concurrent engineering is also known as simultaneous engineering. Here, while the product is designed, the design and manufacturing process are carried out simultaneously. This technique facilitates the design engineer to improve the efficiency of product design and process. It is a method by which work several groups within an organization simultaneously to create new products and services. Advantages of concurrent engineering. As the design decisions are taken by a team of multidisciplinary experts, changes and modification of the product will be faster. It ensures better quality. Computer-aided design. Computer-aided design is a technology concerned with the use of computer system to assist the creation, modification, analysis, and optimization of design. It is also defined as the use of the information technology in the design process. It consists of IT hardware, specialized software, and a peripheral in which certain applications are quite specialized. The various design-related tasks which are performed by a modern computer-aided design system can be grouped into 4 functional areas, that is, geometry modeling, engineering analysis, design review and evaluation, automated drafting. Applications of CAD. The applications covers all type of manufacturing operations such as milling, turning, wire tedium, punching, etc. in mechanical engineering. Applications range from a simple building design to a large-scale project, interior design, static and dynamic analysis, etc. in the civil engineering and architect sector. The computer performs the design activities such as electric motor, PCB design, IC design in electrical and electronic engineering. Advantages of CAD. Drawing editing and modification can be done quickly. Created drawings are more neat, precise, and sharp. Drawings can be plotted quickly in different scales and colors. CAD system architecture. It is an early model which was used for the basic geometric construction and modeling process. In these early years, it's common practice to wait in a line to use dedicated CAD terminal which was used to be installed in a cold, dark climate control room. It consists of four major components such as database, operating system, input-output devices, and the user interface. Computer graphics. Computer graphics is a technology which uses the display of the drawings or the geometric model of the component in CAD. Computer graphics may be defined as a process of creation, storage, and manipulation of drawings and pictures with the aid of computer. It is an extremely effective medium for the communication between users and computers. There are two types of computer graphics: passive computer graphics, interactive computer graphics. Coordinate system in computer graphics. In general, there are two types of coordinate systems such as Cartesian coordinate system and polar coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system, the axes are represented by linear distances x, y, and z, whereas polar coordinate systems such as angle such as pi, theta, and alpha. In 2D coordinate system, there are two axes such as x-axis, y-axis. On the third coordinate z is added, it refers a 3D coordinate system. There are two systems: left and right-handed coordinate system, multiple coordinate system. Transformations. The transformation actually converts the geometry from one coordinate system to the other coordinate system. It means of transformation, the image can be enlarged in a size or reduced or rotated or moved on the screen. It plays a central role in model construction and viewing the image. Typical CAD commands to translate, rotate, zoom, and mirror entities are based on geometry's transformation. They are also used to create animated files of geometric models to study their motion. Under the transformation we have display transformation in 2D or 2D display control facilities. Display transformation in 3D or 3D display control facilities. Display transformation in 2D or 2D display control facilities. Various display control facilities in computer graphics, they are vector generation, windowing and viewing transformation, clipping transformation, reflection transformation, zooming, panning, transmitting information on a network, graphics libraries. Display transformation in 3D or 3D display control facilities. The display devices are mostly in 2D, therefore it makes 3D viewing process as a complex one. The following are some of the visualization aid for the CAD system user to interpret static 2D projection of 3D objects, that is perspective transformation, brightness modulation, hidden line removal, hidden surface removal, shading, movement. Two-dimensional transformation. During modeling of an object, it becomes necessary to transform the geometry many times. The transformation actually converts the geometry from one coordinate system to other coordinate system. The main types of 2D transformation which are often come across follows: translation, scaling, reflection, rotation, shearing. Translation. It is the movement of an object from one position to another position. It is accomplished by adding the distance through which the drawing is to be moved to the coordinates of each corner point. Scaling. It is the transformation applied to change the scale of an entity. It is done by increasing the distance between the points of drawing. It means that it can be done by multiplying the coordinates of the drawing by an enlargement or reduction factor called scaling factor. Reflection. It allows a copy of an object to be displayed while the object is reflected about a line or a plane. Rotation. The drawing is rotated to a fixed point. The final position and orientation of geometry is decided by the angle of rotation and the base point about which the rotation is to be done. Shearing. It produces distortion of an object or an entire image. There are two types, namely X shear and Y shear. Concatenation or combined transformation. The combined transformation practice can be obtained by multiplying the respective transformation matrices. The sequence of transformation can be combined into single transformation using the concatenation process. This can be achieved through three processes. Inverse translation of AB to A1B1 matrix. A1B1 is then rotated through an angle of 45 degree to A2B2 matrix. The line A2B2 matrix is then translated to A3B3 matrix. Homogeneous coordinates. Homogeneous coordinates are another way to represent the points to simplify the way in which affine transformations are expressed. Homogeneous coordinates unify translation, rotation, and scaling in one transformation matrix. Line drawing. The straight line forms the basis for the display of all types of shapes in computer graphics. The following are the requirements for drawing lines. Line should appear straight. Line should terminate accurately. Line should have constant density or brightness. Line density should be independent of length and angle. Line should be drawn rapidly. It has two algorithms, namely digital differential analyzer algorithm, Bressenham's line algorithm. Clipping. Clipping is the process of determining the visible portion of a drawing lying within a window or discarding the rest. In clipping process, each graphic elements of the display is examined whether it is completely inside the window or completely outside the window or crosses a window boundary. There are three types of clipping: point clipping, line clipping, polygon clipping. Viewing transformation. In general, the mapping of a part of a world coordinate seen to the device coordinate is referred as a viewing transformation. To perform a viewing transformation, window and the viewport are deal. Several different coordinate systems are given below. World Coordinate System WCS, Physical Device Coordinate System PDCS, Normalized Device Coordinate System NDCS. Normalized transformation. The transformation which maps the world coordinate to normalized device coordinate is called normalization transformation. It involves the scaling of x and y. Therefore, it is called scaling transformation. Workstation transformation. The transformation which maps its normalized device coordinates to physical device coordinates is called workstation transformation. Therefore, the viewing transformation is the combination of normalized transformation and workstation transformation, and it given by V is equal to W into N.